Welcome students, in this video we are going to solve 10 interesting MCQ questions from 10th standard maths CBSE chapter 5 arithmetic progression. So this session is going to be like completely in a simple English so that everyone can understand across Indian states. Okay, so here the first question is, in an AP if D is equals to -4 and N equal to 7, AN equal to 4, then A value they are asking. I hope you have knowledge about a basic ideas on arithmetic progression. So we have a formula. Okay, so what is the formula? We have an is equals to find a particular term, we can write an is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so what are the informations they gave here? N value they gave. So n value means a7 is your 4. So you can write 4 here, and a value we supposed to find n minus 1. N is 7 means minus 1 is 6 times d is -4. So 4 is equals to a minus 24. So minus 24 when transforms to opposite side it will become plus 24. Already 4 is there. So your a value is 28. Yes, almost all the problems we are going to start solving only based on this particular formula. Okay, so in an AP series, okay, whenever we need to find certain term, okay, like 5th term or 10th term, if they are asking means you just simply substitute in this formula, provided A is your first term, D is the common difference, N is which term we are finding. Okay, so you will get to know one by one when we are start solving the sums. Okay, I hope you got the first question. Let us move for question number 2. If you want, you can copy, or if you have enough confidence to face the questions even before I am doing, better you can pause the video and try it by yourself, then play it and check your answers by replaying it. Yeah. Okay, now the second question. Question number 2. In an AP, if A is equals to 3.5, D is 0. Okay, it sounds easy. D is 0 means what? This A only your continuous term of the entire AP. So you don't need to bother about that. So AN will be same 3.5 only. Okay, so if you want me to explain this by substituting in the formula, what we can do, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 times D. So D N is 101. So A 101 is equals to A value 3.5 plus 101 minus 1 is 100 times 0. So this is going to be 0, right? Therefore your 3.5 alone will be there. Since D is 0, the same first term is going to be continuous as a following terms there. Okay, so even if it is 101th term or 200 or 1000th term they are asking, answer remains 3.5 only because D is 0 here. Yeah, I hope you understand this very simple concept. Let us move to question number 3 now. The list of numbers. This time they gave the AP sequence. We need to find what is A, what they are asking. They are asking D value only. Just observe the options there. They are asking only D value. So D value how to find? D value is nothing but anywhere you can subtract the term from its next term. A2 minus A1 you can find, or even A4 minus A3 you can find. Anywhere you can subtract. So for example, if I want to do here, or I can do it here, or you can do it here also. Better I'll do this one. 2 minus of minus 2. So it will become what? Plus 2. So D is equal to plus 4. So it is going to be 4. So option B is your correct answer. Is an AP with difference 4 is the correct answer. Okay, make sure minus of minus will become plus there. So don't try to find the answer by just looking 2 minus 2 0. Don't do like that. Or some people will do from here to here they will subtract. That is minus 2 they will subtract, and you will be writing the answer as minus 4. Always from backward to frontward. Okay, so difference means A2 minus A1. Okay, or fourth term minus third, or second term minus first term. In that order only you are going to subtract always. Yeah, I hope you understood this question. Let us go for question number 4. The 11th term of an AP they are asking. So they are asking us to identify the 11th term. What is A value here? Observe the sequence. Your first term is A value, which is -5, and D value. D value, as I told you, you can subtract in between any pair. I can subtract from here to here. This seems very easy, right? So 5 over 2 minus 0 will give you only 5 over 2. In case few students, they will feel hard to subtract here. So in such cases, wherever you can find easy pair to subtract, you make use of that to find your difference easily. Yeah, now a value, d value ready, and they are asking 11th value, which is your n. Just substitute in the formula. What is your formula? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So a 11 we are finding minus 5 plus n minus 1. So 11 minus 1 10. 11 minus 1 is 10. D is your 5 over 2. Now reduce this to 10 5 times. So 5 5s are 25. So minus 5 plus 25 will give you 20 is the answer, option B. Yes, so almost all the problems will be based on only finding the number of terms or finding the difference or finding the first term like this. So make sure you are writing this formula correctly and applying the suitable values from the question. Yes, you got some idea about AP now. Okay, AP you can expect only these kind of questions in your board examination. Now let us go to question number 5. The first four terms of an AP whose first term is -2 and common difference is also -2. So the general form of sequence of your AP, that is when you are writing the terms, you should write like A minus D and then A S addition only. When you are writing here, then this is going to be A plus 2D and A plus 3D, because anyhow the difference is going to be positive or negative based on your AP is increasing or decreasing. Okay, I'll give you one simple example. In case if your AP sequence is increasing order, see what happens. 1 3 5 7. Now see, your 3 minus 1 is going to be 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So when your sequence is getting increase, your difference is going to be positive number. In case if I am writing another sequence AP 100 95 90 85, in this case what you are going to write? You will be writing like 100 minus 95 or 95 minus 100 only we are going to do. In that case your D will be -5, which is less than 0. So you need to understand, when a AP sequence is moving in increasing direction means your D will be positive. When it is in decreasing direction means your D will be negative. Now in our question they gave the D value -2. So -2 means I need to keep on reducing 2 there. Okay, can you understand? So -2, again -2 is going to be what? -4. That's what I gave you. A value is -2 plus D value is also -2. So you are getting -4 in the second term. First term A value -2, and then when you are considering continue this, this is how it is going to be. And our question is talking only about the first 4 terms. You can pick your answer, option C. Got my point? You take 2 key points now. From this question what we learned, 2 key points is, when your AP sequence is moving in increasing order means D will be positive. When your AP sequence is moving in decreasing order means your D will be negative. These 2 points alone you can make a note of it. Let us go for the next question. The 21st term of AP whose first term is -3 and D is 4. Now in this question they gave first 2 terms. So first term is -3, which is your A value. How to find the D value? From here to here you can subtract. So 4 minus of -3 will give you 7. Now n value also they gave 21. So if you want you can try this problem. What is the formula? N is equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. So what I can write now? An equal to A plus n. So which means A21 they are asking. It is -3 plus 20 times D value 7. So -3 plus 20 times 7 is 140. 140 minus 3 is 137 is your answer. Yes, is it clear now? Try to understand. Your sequence is increasing, -3 4 like this, it is going to increase. Obviously just like the previous question I told you, see D you are getting positive. All these are just a clue. In case if you are getting any confusion with the D value is going to be positive or negative means, you can take the keywords what I told you. Sequence increasing means D value positive, sequence decreasing means D value negative. Since here -3, 4, which means what? Your sequence is getting increase. Obviously your D value is going to be positive. Okay, why I am saying you this means, instead of 7 if you are using -7 means you will be getting wrong answer. what would be your answer? Your answer will be negative 143. That is also there in your options to confuse you. So be careful in solving that. Yeah. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Question number 7. Take a look at this. If second term of an AP is 13, fifth term of an AP is 25, then seventh term. This question will be almost equivalent to some 2 more question. Okay, because we are solving 2 equations now. Second term of an AP is 13. So how I can write A2 equal to 13 and then A5 equal to 25. What is your formula? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 times D. 2 is 13 means how I can substitute here? I can write this as A plus 2 is N value, which means what? 1D equal to 13. Can you observe this? And another one, A plus 5 is the N value, which means what? N minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4D. I can write this as 25. Now I got 2 equations, 1 and 2. You just substitute equation 2 minus 1, see what you are getting. A minus A will get cancelled, no? Yes or no? So 4 minus 1, you are going to get 3D. 25 minus 13, you will get 12. So D value 12 over 3, which will be 4. Now substitute this in your equation 1. A plus 4 equal to 13. So A value 9. Now I got both A value and 9 value. I need to get 7th term. 7th term, how you will write? A plus 6D, N minus 1. So you can substitute 9 plus 6 4s are. So 24 plus 9, 33 is your answer. I'm not taking much time on doing step by steps there. Okay, whenever they are giving some particular 2 terms, using that if they are asking some other third term means this is the method you are going to follow. You need to solve the equation. Yes, converting the given information like this equation is very, very important. Yes, just to do practice more on this. Next, let us go to question number 8 now. Which term of the AP is 210? Now this time they gave some particular value and they are asking the position of the 210, which means what? They are asking n value here. Okay, so what I can write is, write down the formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. So An only 210, A value 21 plus n minus 1. What is D value? What is D value? 42 minus 21 is 21 only, no? You can keep it as it is. Now 21 plus, you multiply this inside, 21n, 21 1. So 21 21 got cancelled. So you are getting 21n is equals to 210. So n is equals to 210 over 21. This lies exactly 10 times. So 10th value. Okay, so 10th value is 210 there. Is it easy? So this question is unlike the previous questions where first time we are finding when answer is given what is the position of the number. So when you are extending that given AP, at 10th position 210 will be there. That is what the result. Okay, now we are going to solve last 2 questions of this session. 9th question and 10th question more or less both will be look like similar. There is a small difference between them. So try to understand, read the question. If the common difference of AP is 5, which means D value is 5, what is the value of A18 minus A13 they are asking. So A18, what is the general form? AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 D is the general form. A18 means you used to write like A plus 17D. Can you understand? Because n minus 1d is there. When you are substituting 18 there, 18 minus 1 will become 17. Similarly, minus A13, how to write? A plus 12d I can write. This is what I need to find. Now, when you are bringing this negative sign inside, it will become negative A, negative 12d. So, A minus A will get cancelled. 17 minus 12 will give you 5d. D value they gave in the question. So 5 times 5 is 25 is your answer. Is it clear? Yes, question seems a little different, but once if you start substituting the values there, then this would become very easy. The similar way, 10th question is also. go with the 10th question, last question of this video. Now here, similarly, A18 minus A14, D32 is given. Answer is given. They are asking D value. In the previous question, D was given, answer they were asking. Here this is opposite version of 9. Okay, so A18 same. A18 minus A14 is equals to 32. So how to write A18? A plus 17D. In your formula, A plus N minus 1D. Similarly, here also this is A plus 13D is equal to 32. So when I am moving this negative sign inside the bracket to the second, it will become negative A, negative 13D equal to 32. So A will get cancelled. 17 minus 13 is 4D equal to 32. So D equal to 32 over 4. Your option A is correct answer, 8. I hope you found something useful in this session, right? Yes, have you practiced enough basic questions on your AP to attend your board exams? Yes, few of the questions even I took from the previous year question papers also. If you find this video helpful and if you understood all the questions, please hit like, and I am expecting you to share this video with a minimum of 5 of your friends through the WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. For more interesting sessions, I need more views and comments to motivate me to come up with more sessions like this. And please, if you have any suggestions or any queries or any request, please drop that in the comment box. Definitely I will be responding to all the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I am coming with the new videos, you will get the notification. Thank you so much for watching. We will catch up in another session. Bye bye. Take care.